Good morning, good day, whatever time it is in day oh no, you're welcome to Accessible in Fair, the platform where we learn how to communicate in Igbo step by step. Whether you're a child or you're an adult, you're welcome. It's a pleasure to meet you. My name is Chamaka Zuringe. I'm an educationist. I teach children and teens life and leadership skills. But for this platform, I'm here to teach you, to guide you on your journey of learning how to speak and write Igbo. Okay, so you're welcome to Accessible in Fair. Now, I want to tell you a few things that would help you on this journey. All right, you've registered for our platform, you've registered for our monthly coaching program. That's good. So there are a few things you need to bear in mind that will help you while you're on this journey, because we need to work on the mindset a little bit. If we're able to understand how to go about this journey, it's going to be easier for you. Now, the first thing I want you to know is I want you to be open-minded. All right, I want you to be open to learn. Don't assume you know it all. You are limited to what it is we think we know. It is until we are able to open up and learn what it is somebody else is telling us that we can add to what we already know. So have an open mind. Two, please don't put yourself under much pressure. All right, don't put yourself under much pressure, please, because it's going to begin to weigh you down. It's going to begin to look academic, and that's not what we want to achieve here. We want you to be disciplined, but we want you to learn with less pressure so that it sets into your mind and flows with you for the rest of your life. You don't cram it and pour it out and you forget it and walk away. Number three, give yourself time. It's a journey. Goodness, please take it easy on yourself. Okay, so all your life you've been speaking English. You can't wake up in how many months and you want to be able to blow Igbo freely and you begin to feel bad that you're not able to speak Igbo after all these months. No, give yourself time. The secret to learning how to speak a language is consistency. Now, number four is very, very important. For every new word you learn, please speak it. Speak it. It's practice. First of all, while you watch the videos, you have to write down everything you learn. That's part of the rules for coming to class. First of all, while you're listening to me, your brain is learning it for the first time. When you're writing it down, your brain is recording it again. When you're now speaking it, it's gradually setting inside. So for all the new words you learn, you speak it. If you do not speak it, I will tell you, you'll forget. For a parent here, and you know your child has gone to class, please do us a favor. Do us a favor by asking your child to even teach you what he or she has learned. It's going to make your child get more serious and then go through his or her notes and begin to speak that which the child has learned. And please motivate the children when they try. Okay? Okay, so the fifth one here is please watch the videos that are going to be sent to you as often as possible. Don't take them for granted, please. If you've watched up to a certain module, you are free to go back, because I'll grant you access to be able to watch previous modules, to listen to what was taught over and over and over and over again. All right, so reduce the cartoon time, the Netflix time, reduce a little bit, and put these videos. The videos are very short, 15, 20, 30 minutes max. All right, okay. Now, the sixth one you need to know is when you come to class, please, if an assignment is given to you, I beg you, do your assignment. It's for your own good. You do your assignments and feel free to ask questions. Feel free to make it clear when you don't understand. It's going to make you enjoy your journey. But when you keep skipping assignments, the teacher believes that you've understood it. Then when you ask the same question after a few weeks, you begin to think, number 7, enjoy your wins. Enjoy and celebrate your growth process. Enjoy and celebrate your progress. Please don't wait till you're perfect in speaking Igbo before you begin to feel happy. Feel happy for every milestone you get to, okay? Because it's a process. It's a growth, all right? I wish you a very, very fulfilling experience on this journey. All right. I'll see you in class. Divine, no, no, que messiano.